Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to fix fingerprint sensor not working on Samsung Galaxy A20e. So first, flip your phone and right in here is the fingerprint sensor. So just take a microfiber and clean it. Okay. Now, if it's still not working for you, then go into this settings, scroll down to biometrics and security, fingerprints, and now delete your fingerprint and add another one. And that's pretty much it. You can always remove the screen protector because it may cause interference, but that's just it. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.